So while we bear the brunt of a dysfunctional power utility Eskom, well, it seems that at least some parts of government still have their act together. This is as a former Eskom contractor Michael Lomas is said to be extradited from the United Kingdom, where he was hiding, back to South Africa to face the law in connection with a fraud case at the Kusile Power Station involving 745 million rand. Some guys, when they steal big guys. They don't just steal a few rands, they steal big. 745 million rands stolen at Kusile Power Station, allegedly, because this guy has not yet appeared in court and has not yet been convicted. According to the NPA, it worked through the Department of Justice in the UK and its lawyers to actually get Michael Lomas, who was a fugitive from South African law enforcement and hiding in the UK, to be extradited. The Westminster Magistrates Court, based in London, issued judgment on the 15th of December that Lomas should be extradited to South Africa, where he should be able to stand trial probably sometime next year. Lomas was arrested on the 15th of April last year, 2021, in London, and was granted a hefty bail of around 100,000 British pounds. That's about nearly 2 million South African rand in April. He further submitted an additional guarantee of about 250,000 British pounds, which is around 4.3 million South African rands. You wonder where is he getting all this money? His arrest at the time emanated from months of talks between South Africa and UK authorities over a case of fraud and corruption, where Eskom apparently paid 745 million South African rands to tubular construction projects at the Kusile Power Station. This exposed the state-owned entity to about 1.4 billion costs per the escalation of the contract. Lomas has been indicted along with 4 other accused in South Africa, who are expected back in the criminal matter at the Palm Ridge Specialized Commercial Crimes Court on the 5th of April 2023. Lomas was out of the country when his co-accused were arrested, and he never cooperated with South African law enforcement to come and answer these accusations. So the NPA had no choice but to try and get an extradition of the guy from the UK. And the courts in the UK found that he needs to be sent back to South Africa in order to answer these allegations. He still can appeal the extradition. It remains to be seen what's going to happen with that. But yeah, at least we can have some of these guys who probably have landed us in this mess actually standing trial, and yeah, at least we get some of our confidence back that government still does have us at its heart. What do you think about this? Leave your comments in the comment section below. See you in the next one. Bye.